This video is specially prepared for those who are just starting to learn Korean. It's called 10 Essential Korean Expressions for Beginners. With these expressions, your journey in learning Korean will become much more enjoyable. Whether it's for traveling, shopping, or ordering food, you'll be able to handle basic conversations with ease. Have you ever been in a situation like this while traveling in Korea? Moments where you're lost or unsure what to do? In such cases, the phrase you really need is 도와주세요. The pronunciation is 도와주세요. It means, please help me.
도와주세요.
Today, we'll learn this expression along with 10 other essential phrases for traveling in Korea. With these phrases, you'll be able to communicate confidently wherever you go. Now, let's jump right into the first expression. Let's go. Hello. The first expression you absolutely need to know in Korean is
안녕하세요.
it's pronounced as 안녕하세요. This is the most common and polite way to say hello in Korean. You can use it anytime, anywhere, whether you're greeting a stranger, meeting a friend, or even starting a conversation with someone over the phone. Here's an example. Imagine you're visiting a Korean restaurant. As soon as you walk in, you can greet the staff by saying 안녕하세요. It's a polite way to start the interaction. Listen to it and practice it.
안녕하세요.
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 Try it now. 안녕하세요. Great. You're off to a great start. The second expression you need to learn is
감사합니다.
which means thank you in Korean. The pronunciation is 감사합니다. This phrase is super versatile and can be used in any situation to show gratitude, especially in formal or polite settings. For example, you're at a cafe and the barista hands you your coffee. You can say 감사합니다 to express your thanks. It's a simple gesture that goes a long way. Let's practice together 감사합니다.
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 Great job. The next expression we'll learn is
죄송합니다.
this means I'm sorry in Korean. The pronunciation is 죄송합니다. This phrase is essential when you need to apologize or acknowledge a mistake. It's especially useful in formal settings, as it conveys sincerity and respect. Here's an example. Imagine you accidentally bump into someone on the subway. You can say 죄송합니다 to apologize. It's simple, but it leaves a good impression on the other person. Let's practice together 죄송합니다.
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 Great. The next expression we'll learn is
얼마예요?
this means how much is it in Korean. The pronunciation is 얼마예요? This phrase is super handy when shopping. You can simply say 얼마예요 to ask for the price. Pairing it with the name of the item or pointing at it makes it even more effective. Here's an example. Imagine you find a beautiful piece of clothing in a store. You can point to it and say
이거 얼마예요?
to ask the price, and the shopkeeper will tell you. Let's practice together.
얼마예요?
얼마예요?
이거 얼마예요?
이거 얼마예요?
Great. Now you're ready to shop in Korea with confidence. The fifth expression we'll learn is
괜찮아요.
this means it's okay or I'm fine in Korean. The pronunciation is 괜찮아요. This phrase is commonly used to reassure someone or to express that you're okay. It's a very versatile expression that can adapt to various situations, making it incredibly useful. Here's an example. If someone accidentally spills water, you can say
괜찮아요.
to make them feel less embarrassed. Or if someone asks, "Can I help you?" you can politely decline by saying, "It's okay." Let's practice together.
괜찮아요.
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 Great. Now you're ready to use it naturally in conversations. The sixth expression we'll learn is,
어디예요?
this means, where is it in Korean? The pronunciation is 어디예요. This phrase is incredibly useful when asking for directions or finding a place. Simply add the name of the destination before 어디예요 to make it sound natural. Here's an example. While traveling in Korea, if you want to find the restroom, you can ask someone nearby.
화장실이 어디예요?
They'll most likely guide you with a smile. Let's practice together.
어디예요?
화장실이 어디예요?
화장실이 어디예요?
지하철역이 어디예요?
지하철역이 어디예요?
약국이 어디예요?
약국이 어디예요?
화장실이 어디예요? Great job. Now you're ready to find anything you need wherever you go. The seventh expression we'll learn is,
맛있어요.
this means it's delicious in Korean. The pronunciation is 맛있어요. You can use this expression whenever you enjoy a tasty meal. It's an essential phrase, especially at Korean restaurants. Saying 맛있어요 after your meal will definitely make the chef or staff happy. Here's an example. After eating bibimbap, you can tell your friend
이거 진짜 맛있어요.
to express how much you're enjoying the food. Let's practice together.
맛있어요.
이거 진짜 맛있어요.
이거 진짜 맛있어요. 김치 진짜 맛있어요.
김밥 진짜 맛있어요.
맛있어요. Excellent. Now you're ready to enjoy Korean food with confidence. The eighth expression we'll learn is,
천천히 말해주세요.
this means please speak slowly in Korean. The pronunciation is 천천히 말해주세요. This phrase is incredibly useful when Korean feels a bit difficult and you want to ask someone to speak slower. It's a must-know expression, especially for beginners learning Korean. Here's an example. If someone is speaking too quickly and you're having trouble understanding, you can politely say, 천천히 말해주세요, with a smile. They'll slow down for you. Let's practice together.
천천히 말해주세요.
천천히 말해주세요. 천천히 보여주세요.
천천히 보여주세요.
천천히 보여주세요.
천천히 걸어도 괜찮아요.
천천히 걸어도 괜찮아요.
천천히 걸어도 괜찮아요.
천천히 말해주세요. Great job. Now you can feel more comfortable learning Korean at your own pace, and when you're doing something, you can just say 천천히. The ninth expression we'll learn is,
영어 할 수 있어요?
this means, can you speak English in Korean? The pronunciation is 영어 할 수 있어요? You can use this phrase often when you need to ask for directions or help in Korea. It's a simple yet incredibly useful expression to check if someone can communicate in English. If you're lost, you can approach someone with a smile and ask, 영어 할 수 있어요? If they can speak English, they'll likely help you kindly. Let's practice together.
영어 할 수 있어요?
영어 할 수 있어요?
영어 할 수 있어요?
영어 할 수 있어요?
영어 할 수 있어요? Great job. Now you can ask with confidence. The 10th expression we'll learn is,
잘 모르겠어요.
this means, I don't understand, or I'm not sure in Korean. The pronunciation is 잘 모르겠어요. You can use this phrase when you don't understand something or are unsure about a situation. It's a polite and very useful way to ask for clarification or assistance in Korea. Here's an example. At a restaurant, if you don't understand the menu, you can say, 이 메뉴가 무슨 뜻인지 잘 모르겠어요, and the staff will explain it to you in more detail. Let's practice together.
잘 모르겠어요.
잘 모르겠어요.
잘 모르겠어요.
잘 모르겠어요. 이 메뉴가 무슨 뜻인지 잘 모르겠어요.
이 메뉴가 무슨 뜻인지 잘 모르겠어요.
이 메뉴가 무슨 뜻인지 잘 모르겠어요.
Great job. Now you can express yourself naturally without feeling confused. We've covered 10 essential Korean expressions for beginners. With these expressions, I hope you'll feel more confident communicating during your time in Korea. I wish you a joyful and rewarding journey in learning Korean. I'll continue preparing fun and helpful content, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, feel free to leave a comment with any questions or expressions you'd like to learn. See you in the next video. Thank you.